Today, Wednesday, June 8th. I was checking to see if I make a video earlier, but I didn't. Anyhow, turbocharger in place, hot side. It's not been torqued down finally, because I have to align it here for the external. Okay. The oil feed, oil return, coolant feed, the EGT sensors routed behind the heat cover here. Turbo, beautiful, a little bit of oil on the oil feed inside with the strings. Then I have route this through that one. This one goes down here. It's free, it's not under tension. Also this one the same thing, it's not under tension. And the other one I wrote it here. When we're gonna put the wiring harness, I'm gonna see this better, because I think there is one metallic bridge that comes here. It looks fine, it's not bothering with the inlet of the turbo. And then they're ending up here with a number per cylinder. Alright, so they come from here out, looking good. This I put just from here to come all together out. Like I said, this is not final yet, that's why it's on the air. So far, all looking good. Moving on, I have to finalize a little bit the external to fix it in place, put also the down pipe and align properly the turbo, torque it down properly, torque down also the external. The down pipe not now. Have to put also the fitting here, small things that's remaining, and then outside to continue with the rest, because I have to remove it from the engine stand. Now, turbocharger, external and down pipe, it's been aligned. Okay, the pipe for the inlet of the turbo, it's on the same position. There is a mark, that's why I'm saying that. There is one mark over there. This is from the headers here. It's on the same position. Like I said, we are done. I'm going outside. Have to hook it up, remove it from the engine stand, and continue dressing with the wiring with the other side, the rest of the parts front. Engine on the table. This is a rubber, okay. Piece of wood here. Where is the AC compressor? Just for support, not something crazy. Alright. I didn't found yet the ignition coil. I don't know where they put the guys. That's why I haven't connected this, the upper piece of the wiring harness. Alright. The EGT sensors, they're coming here. All the rest I already plug it in. From here the guys, they have to remove this pipe to move it to pass inside the transmission. Alright, that's what's remaining, what they have in the boxes. The other two boxes, I finish it, I empty it. That's how it looks like the engine. Alright. Yeah, no, I didn't clean the bracket here. They have to remove it to insert the engine inside, obviously. That's how it looks like from back. Okay, Mr. Derek, I need a favor from you. You're gonna close the turbo outlet, the turbo inlet, the throttle from the other side. Just cover it, don't fill anything inside. Or put a nylon on top, get one garbage bag, open it and put on nylon until he comes home to bring the transmission. Alright? And then the car finally inside. That's it for now. Next video, first start. Now, whenever we're gonna have available jack, yeah, whenever we're gonna have an available jack and we're gonna put the car inside, and the guys are gonna put the engine for me inside, we're gonna hear the first start. That's it for now. Thank you. Mr. Derek, he came here and he found for me the missing ignition coil. I'll install it with a bolt. The wiring harness finish. Comes up with the sensor and the other one back in place. Nice. I found also the two nuts, one here, one here. The other pipe for the vacuum pump, it's on the car. Alright. So finalizing also there. Engine oil that he brought it the customer. The new bolts for the bell housing. This fitting I have it as a backup, like I said, for the external. The transmission, the brake calipers, brake rotors are inside of the car. The rest things you already saw it. They're looking good, yeah. Covering also here, don't come anything inside. The turbocharger, okay. Right, beautiful, excellent, good. Looking good. That's it. Now that's the end. Alright. Next video, first start.